Hey guys, I am Chetan Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Some of the best apps that you must have for your rooted mobile phone. So without wasting any time, let us start. The first app that you must have for your rooted device phone is SuperUser. SAU SuperUser. You can download it from the Play Store for free. It is a very useful app to grant root permissions for the application which required root. So you must have to install this app to get the desirable root permission. So the second app is the Greenify app. Greenify apps allow you to hibernate the installing apps, hibernate the installing app on your mobile phone. By Greenify the app, you can disable the app so it cannot use your phone's precious RAM or memory. It is just like it will consume your RAM only when you open your app, any app. It is very useful. It also saves your phone's important battery, mobile data uses, etc. Another useful feature of this app is that when suppose if you have Greenify the WhatsApp, once the WhatsApp is greenified, then you will always show offline if you on your mobile data or Wi-Fi. There will be no two ticks on the WhatsApp messages that show you the messages are read. So try it. Okay. The another app is the Titanium Backup. The Titanium Backup is very, as you see, very information. Titanium Backup is very useful app to backup your all Android data backup. Suppose if you want to install the custom ROM, but you do not want to lose your data, then you will backup your all mobile data or Android data before flashing the ROM with the help of this. Then after you flash the ROM, then again install the Titanium Backup and flashback the data with the help of Titanium Backup. You will get all the data without installing the single app. That is all the app installed before the flashing of data will be flashed automatically after when you restore the data with the help of Titanium Backup after flashing the ROM. So the next app is the HCR Free, which I am using the screen recorder for the rooted mobile device. If you have a lower Android version from Android Lollipop, then it is very helpful to record your Android devices. Screen of your Android device. I am also using this app for recording the app. Another useful app for the rooted Android user is QuickBoot. QuickBoot allows to reboot your devices in recovery mode, bootloader mode, etc. So you must have installed this app. You will not have to press the volume up and power button simultaneously to boot into recovery mode. By using the QuickBoot app, you can also download. You can easily boot your device into the recovery mode. Some of other apps also, there is a app called ROM Manager. You can find this in the Google Play. I have not installed this app on my device currently. The app name is ROM Manager. With the help of this app, you can easily flash the custom ROMs. The next app is the System App Freezer app. System App Freezer app is very useful app to freeze the system apps. Some of the system apps, suppose if you do not want to use the Google Hangouts or another just like the system app which is pre-installed on your devices, then you can freeze that apps with the help of the System App Freezer. By freezing that app, that app will not consume your phone's battery and data and other such kind of the things, and it can also increase the speed of your Android phone. So you must have to install a System App Freezer app. So let's move on. The next step is the Terminal Emulator. Terminal Emulator is a very important app for the rooted Android phone. I also uploaded one video to that name the how to create a new user in Android. You can create a multiple user with the help of this Terminal Emulator by applying the command. You can check out my channel for the same. The next app is the Disk Digger app. The Disk Digger app is a very important app for if you have accidentally deleted your photos. It will recover all your deleted photos from your Android device. The next step is the ES File Explorer. ES File Explorer, you will have to enable the root explorer from the by going to the ES File Explorer settings. Tools. Here is the root explorer I have already on. But if you enable the root explorer, then you can easily access the system files from the your Android device. You can change the font settings, etc. with the help of this. The next app is the Export Installer. The Export Installer app will help to change the many tweaks in your Android device without flashing any custom ROM. You can install different modules. So you can change the overall look of your device without flashing the ROM with the help of this Export Installer. Just go to download section and you will find many apps there. I do not have internet connection, so I cannot show any downloaded files here. You can easily install this app. You can find all these apps by googling it. So that's it. If you find any other app, you can comment in the below section. If you like my video, give me like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. That's it. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment and subscribe. Very thankful to you.